Now we're getting an image. We can get file names with extensions using the getClientOriginalName method in Laravel. To double check, let's choose an image. We will get a file name with an extension. We can get file names without extensions using the pathinfo method in Laravel. To get file extensions, we can use the getClientOriginalExtension method in Laravel. Create a new string variable file name to store and give it a value. File name plus underscore plus new timestamp plus dot and add file extension. We're getting the right string. The Editor.js image upload tool expects JSON in a specific format as a response. Copying this block of code. Changing it a little bit. And sending it as a return response. Now that the error message has vanished, we are receiving the correct response. We can save images to the Laravel storage directory. Using the stores method, it requires a store file path and a new file name. We can get the image preview URL. The image store path. And a file name to store. In the next video, I will add another tool to Editor.js. Thanks for watching, please like, share, and subscribe.